In previous lectures, we have seen how to solve quadratic equations by using different methods. We can solve quadratic equations by using factorization method, after that by using completing square method, and then by using formula method. After that, we are going to understand how to find out or how to determine nature of quadratic equation. But before determining nature of quadratic equation, we have to understand two natures or three natures of quadratic equations. So concentrate here and try to understand. All of you know that every quadratic equation have two roots, that is x equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second root is x equal to minus b, x2 equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, now we are going to determine nature of roots of quadratic equation. So when we observe these two roots carefully, we will get that minus b upon 2a is present here and minus b upon 2a is also present here. That means these two values are same in these two roots. So directly nature of root is fully dependent upon value of b square minus 4ac. Why? Because value of b square minus 4ac, we are adding this value here in first root and we are subtracting the same value from second root. That's why answers are different. So try to understand how can we determine nature of roots of quadratic equation. Suppose value of b square minus 4ac is positive or greater than 0. So at that time what will happen? When we put this value here, so you will get first root as x1 equal to minus b plus under root 10 upon 2a, and second root as minus b minus under root 10 upon 2a. So when we observe these roots carefully, we will get that we are adding under root 10 and we are subtracting under root 10 from same values. So answers cannot be same, answers are different. So in this situation, we can say that nature of roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Why unequal? Because we are adding root 10 here and we are subtracting root 10 here. So from same value, we are going to add root 10 and we are going to subtract root 10. So when we add or subtract same value in same number, so at that time answers are different. So that's why nature of roots of quadratic equation are real and equal in this condition if value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 10. That means if value of b square minus 4ac, if value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, in that situation nature of root are real and unequal. Second condition, if value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means negative value. For example, value of b square minus 4ac is minus 10. So in this situation, in this condition, what will happen? x1 means first root, that is minus b minus plus under root minus 10 upon 2a, and minus b minus under root minus 10 upon 2a. And in 9th standard we have seen if negative sign is present inside the radical sign, so at that time nature of root are not real, or these numbers are called imaginary numbers. So that's why if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Roots are not real because negative sign is present inside the radical sign. And third condition, if value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0. In this situation, what will happen when we put this value in roots? X1 equal to minus b plus under root 0 or 0 upon 2a, and minus b minus 0 upon 2a. So when we add or when we subtract 0 from same value, so answers are same. So that's why nature of roots of quadratic equation in this situation is real and equal. So in this way, nature of roots of quadratic equation are fully dependent upon value of b square minus 4ac. If value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, at that time nature of roots are real and unequal. If value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means negative, at that time nature of roots of quadratic equations are not real. And if value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then nature of root is real and equal. Now we are going to determine nature of root of this quadratic equation which is given here. We are going to determine nature of root of 2x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. Question is that determine nature of roots of this quadratic equation. So firstly we have to compare this quadratic equation with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. You will get value of a is 2, value of b is minus 5 and value of c is 7. All of you know that we already discussed that nature is fully dependent upon value of b square minus 4ac. So firstly we have to find out value of b square minus 4ac here. So value of b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 7. So minus 5 square is 25, minus 4 into 2 8 and 8 7 are 56. So when we perform subtraction, we will get that answer is minus 31. So value of b square minus 4ac is minus 31. That means here we have to write b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, nature of root of given quadratic equation are not real. So in this way we can determine nature of roots of quadratic equation by finding value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, we can denote this value b square minus 4ac by using delta or by using d, or we can say that this is value of discriminant. So simply, if value of discriminant is greater than 0, at that time nature of roots of quadratic equations are real and unequal. If value of value of discriminant is less than 0, at that time nature of roots are not real, and value of discriminant is equal to 0, at that time nature of roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. So in this way, if different questions are given, so we can determine nature of roots of quadratic equations easily. These type of questions can be asked in board examination for 2 marks.